Good morning everyone, this is Boracay and welcome to another travel vlog. So guys, we are here in Mactan International Airport and we are bound to the world's most famous island and in the Philippines, Boracay Island. So I'm with Lira, Wang of Sininia, mga Koreano. So we are going to gate number 8 and we're about to boarding. So now guys, nabaguan ko sa kumba. Now we're in the plane going to Katiklan Airport and we are about to take off, departing.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Star Spinner, Captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 5J.
Bye, Cebu. Boracay Island. Nakita na namang Boracay Island. Arrived safely in Katiklan Airport and we are and we will look for a motorcycle or a van that can take us to City Port. Nabot namin sa Katiklan. Sundo. Dito. Ngita na kay tricycle. Our PANAY Adventure starts now. And first stop, Boracay. So, karon guys, mangita pa may tricycle na among sakyan pa doon sa City Port. O sa City Port going to Boracay. So see you in Boracay. Ha? Ari na sa dito lang kayo. Sikat man. Nakula na sa dikwan niya. So karon kay padong nami sa City Port na nakay yung tricycle. So, man siya ang agianan pa daw sa City Port. Doha rin. Pa daw may ilo-ilo. Ay, mga ito pa may gantiki. Antiki? Oo. We are here in City Port. And for now, we are here in Mang Inasal because we will take our lunch. It's 3 o'clock already and it's our lunch. So, time to eat lunch at Mang Inasal. Anti-rice. Now here in GT Port and the regular ferry rates is 75 pesos and for the foreign it's 100 pesos and for our senior citizen it's 50 pesos and there's an environmental fee of 75 pesos and terminal fee of 100 pesos. So, karon manakay namin sa ferry going to Boracay. See you in Boracay.
Salamat ka na kuya. Magpasya ang bala sa inyo. Kuya.
This is GD Port. And we're going to ride a ferry. Wait, pasahero yun. Yung mga na mas taklin. Down Boracay. Kita may tricycle. Daw sa station 3 kay nasa station 3 mo. Anong stay in?
Soon after.
Welcome to Boracay! One of the most beautiful sunsets in the Philippines is in Boracay. Hello everyone! So, nako diri sa Boracay and it's 6, almost 7 o'clock in the evening, and yeah, sunset. Since gabi naman may na habit na may gabi na abot, so may kaligog adlawan karon kay mag night swimming sa super beautiful. Nag-aari na gid ko sa Boracay at last. Nami diri sa station 3 o daghang tao, pero mas daghang tao sa station 1 o station 2. Super beautiful white sand. Good morning everyone. Today is March 1, first day of the month of March, and we are here in Boracay. This is our second day here in Boracay, and we are staying at La Isla Bonita. We are 4 and we stayed in one room, and we paid 4,600 pesos, and each of us will pay 100 plus 1,100 plus. So compared to other hotels here in Boracay, La Isla Bonita is cheaper. So if you want to go here, this is a station 3. So yeah, today guys, we will going to have an island hopping. So stay tuned guys. So I'll show you the La Isla Bonita. This is La Isla Bonita. If you want to go here, this is in station 3. Very nice accommodation. The stops are very good. The room is clean also. Hello guys. So we are now heading to our island hopping adventure. Oh niya, hello. So kami kay joiners mi karon. Padong nami sa bangka. Ano ay guro natong kakudungan no.
Tatlong activity. Banana boat ka. Mamaya na, may 5.
Kain kayo ng marami ha. Kaya unlimited. Ate namin sa I'm happy. Ang daming tao. Asa ta? Mag island happy.
Pila may anak dyan.
Kaon kayo ng maraming. Mga kumag ba yami? Kaon dyan mayo. Daman sa muli. Sa makadal may sa mong bangka. Kaya pa doon na dyan may mag-island happy. Floating. Jor, para ka juri gini nga mong pamukod.
Huwag kang saving.
Jor, para yung money Jor. Huwag ka sayo rin sa drink. Located. We are joiners. Bito, kita tulog upat. What's up? So, our first destination for our island hopping is the Puka Beach. Yes. Beautiful white sand. So, mga picture. So guys, we're now here in Puka Beach. White sand. So, the Puka Beach guys is located at the tip of Boracay. Huh? Oh, Tordo. So, beautiful here guys. That's just the pinaka-point sa Boracay. Limited white sand beach here in Boracay. Ano siyang signage nga na ay Puka Beach, Boracay. That's the signage. Puka Beach, Boracay. Tama, ligo na to na. Okay, 30 minutes na ba yun? So, kung ari mo dili guys, mapapicture mo sa signage of Puka Beach kay kinahanglan mo mahatag og donation before mo picture according to the ano maligyan.
Later.
Helmet diving. Daw may mag-lunch guys. Manami og katong helmet diving. Na mag-lunch na.
Later.
Ito ta.
Ay.
So we are now back from our island hopping adventure. It was such a fun experience having an island hopping here in Boracay, and lingaw kaya mga rides diri. First time to experience the banana boat, and it was really fun, and nag-helmet diving sad me. Abot nami sa muang ka. This is station 3. Doon kay may 7-Eleven. The time now is 3:45. Pero init. Super. So karon mga ligo ni Dory sa station 3. Now it's 1 star. Okay. Sige, move. Yo paddle. Parang hello. Layo lagi ko ito.
Forward ka sa kabila, sa kabila, sa kabila, sa kabila. Yan, forward.
Aglok na ako. Talawan.
Sadap. Boracay.
The next day,
Good morning, everyone. So today is our third day of our Panay adventure, and we're still here in La Isla Bonita, Boracay, and we're about to check out and heading to our second destination in Tibiao, Antique. So see you there, guys. Bye. Very fine white sand. We'll miss this island. So lucky to be here. Boracay. So we're going to Antique now, guys. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. So going to GT Port and then ride a series bus going to Antique. So stay tuned in our Antique. Time to say goodbye to this beautiful island, most famous island in the Philippines, Boracay Island. We're here at station 3, and see you next time, Boracay. Let's go!